In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide grand totals for only some of the columns in Tableau Desktop. This is a useful feature when you want to maintain a clean and organized presentation of your data without displaying every grand total, particularly if some totals might not be relevant to your analysis or might clutter your dashboard. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your Tableau public app. Make sure that you have the most up-to-date version for optimal features and stability. Once you have Tableau opened, find and access your worksheet. This is where all your data is being displayed and where we'll be making the modifications today. Next, you'll need to drag the segment field onto the row shelf. This step is crucial for organizing your data and ensures that your sheet structure is set up correctly, as it determines what your rows will display. After that, you'll drag measure names onto the column shelf. This action will allow you to work with various measures and helps visually categorize the data you're working with across different columns. Subsequently, drag measure values to the label's mark card. By doing this, you are ensuring that each data point in your visual will display the actual measure value, which is essential for clear insight and analysis. Now, it's time to address the totals. Go to the top menu bar and click on Analysis, and from there, navigate to Totals. This is where you can manage the grand totals for the entire worksheet. Go ahead and select Show Column Grand Totals. This will display the grand totals for all columns in your worksheet, exactly where we want to start before implementing the selective hiding. Select the particular column where you'd like to hide the grand total. This task requires you to be precise. Knowing which column grand total to hide ensures the resulting worksheet displays data in a way that highlights the information you find most relevant. Next, you'll click the small drop-down arrow on that column header, which brings up several options. Navigate to Total Using, because this feature lets you modify how specific columns handle their total calculations. Finally, choose Hide from the list of options. This action effectively removes the grand total from that specific column while leaving the others visible, allowing for a focused and streamlined presentation of your data analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to selectively hide grand totals for specific columns in Tableau Desktop. Remember, this feature is particularly helpful when attempting to simplify complex data sets or when certain totals are extraneous to your presentation. By tailoring your data's presentation in this way, you're making it easier for viewers to focus on what's truly important. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more Tableau tips and tricks.